channel, this is Rob from HeyRobBob. Today I'll be unboxing the Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro 12.9-inch. First and foremost, when I received the Magic Keyboard package, I thought I have received the wrong delivery as it felt even heavier than my entire iPad Pro 12.9-inch box package with the power brick kit inside. As we can see here, the Magic Keyboard package is similar to that of the new iPad Pro 12.9-inch 2020 packaging, where we have the simple peel-off mechanism to unseal the plastic wrap. Now here's a simple animation of the hardware specs breakdown of the Magic Keyboard for the new iPad Pro 12.9-inch. The Magic Keyboard weighed enough to have its package cover dropped off easily in mere seconds just by its own weight. The iPad Pro 12.9-inch took me a good 20 to 30 seconds to do the same thing. On first touch, the covers felt smooth and have a very premium feel to it. The hinge frame was rigid and the keyboard structure was solid. It's a pretty smart design to include the usual information booklet as a placeholder to maintain the frame and protect the keyboard during transportation. Mounting my iPad Pro is extremely easy as the inbuilt magnets help to slide it effortlessly into place. The initial typing experience felt literally magical, especially when I just migrated from the default software keyboard experience, which is just a flat, unresponsive piece of glass. There is a sort of a tactile response typing experience from the keys that made it quite addictive to type more. The 12.9-inch Magic Keyboard also feels very at home as it has a similar fully sized keyboard comparable to that of a 15-inch MacBook Pro. I also like the fact that the Magic Keyboard just works immediately after being connected to the iPad Pro. Next, here are a few side perks I really liked about the Magic Keyboard. Simple as it is, the combined keyboard and trackpad design just replicates a familiar experience I have with my existing laptop. Keyboard shortcuts are just faster, saving me more unnecessary hand gestures, taps, and time executing a similar task. The availability of the trackpad provides the occasional emergency need for a mouse and just makes executing my workflow actions that much faster. The lighter caps lock is a feature seemingly unique to the Apple keyboard series, and I find it very useful especially when I'm typing passwords, especially in the dark. I'm also thankful that it still works when I turn off the keyboard backlight. Having a flush palm rest design with the Magic Keyboard really made the typing experience even better than my MacBook Pro 15-inch, I dare say, as my palms can also rest comfortably on the underlying table, which just lets me focus on my typing on the iPad Pro and not fidgeting around due to discomfort. Everyone is mostly very curious on how far the iPad Pro can flex on the Magic Keyboard. In my small experiment, I will use my existing MacBook Pro 15-inch as a comparison, as most of the time the laptop's flex range is wide and mostly usable for our daily practical use. In this maximum flex comparison, with some slight deviation, we can still see that the Magic Keyboard provided a comparatively similar maximum flex angle as my MacBook Pro 15-inch. In addition, I also recognize that the Magic Keyboard also allows for two other unofficial alternative iPad Pro positions, primarily for drawing or sketching purposes. Weight-wise, it does feel heavier than my iPad Pro when I first unboxed it. Now let's see what my weighing scale actually says. As you can see here, my iPad Pro 12.9-inch sits at 629 grams. Now let's see the weight of the Magic Keyboard. Oh gosh, it's 704 grams. Now it's literally carrying another iPad Pro 12.9-inch with me, with about 75 grams to spare, which is the weight of 4 Apple Pencil 2s. Well, thinking about that, let's just weigh the overall weight of both the iPad Pro 12.9-inch and the Magic Keyboard. Seems like it's roughly 1.335 kg, which is not too heavy as compared to carrying a MacBook Pro 15-inch, which we can see here now is roughly 2.5 kg by itself. With roughly half the weight savings, the iPad Pro 12.9-inch combo is my definite carry-on choice if I want to carry light. Lastly, I'm going to share about the top 3 greats and bads about the Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro 12.9-inch. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing video and stay tuned for a few behind the scenes field recordings. Meanwhile, do consider to like, comment and subscribe to this new channel to show your support.